Welcome to this video, exploring the smart meter revolution. We'll answer the question, what exactly does a smart meter do? And examine the future of energy efficiency and grid intelligence. Defining the smart meter, it is an electronic device that records energy consumption and communicates that information for monitoring and billing. Smart meters use Advanced Metering Infrastructure, or AMI, for two-way communication between the meter and the central system. Smart meters have three core functions. First, precise recording, capturing usage in near real time. Second, two-way data flow, transmitting usage and status data. Third, smart intelligence, automatically reporting outages and monitoring power quality to improve grid stability. Smart meters bridge the gap by eliminating manual readings. They transmit data wirelessly via cellular networks, radio frequency, or power line communication. This enables automated reporting, dynamic pricing, and remote firmware updates for maintenance and security. 100% billing accuracy is achieved by eliminating guesswork. Utilities no longer rely on estimated bills because smart meters transmit actual daily usage data. This precision allows for detailed energy audits and helps identify devices that waste power. Smart meters empower the consumer with real-time monitoring via mobile apps to adjust habits and save money. They support sustainability by helping shift usage to off-peak hours and track energy from renewables. Budgeting tools also alert consumers approaching spending limits. Looking at the data frequency comparison, traditional manual meters provide data monthly. Basic smart meters report daily, while advanced ones send data every 15 to 30 minutes. This provides up to 2,800% more data points, enabling granular energy management. Smart meters enhance the grid's reliability and resilience. They act as thousands of mini-sensors. If power goes down, a last gasp signal is automatically sent to the utility. This allows faster outage location and fixing, and enables remote service connection and disconnection. Smart meter data provides visibility into usage, acting as an energy hub. Consumers can pinpoint categories contributing most to their bill, such as heating and cooling at 45%, major appliances at 30%, lighting and electronics at 15%, and other usage at 10%. The evolution of metering began in the late 1800s with induction meters. The 1980s saw automated meter reading, and the 2000s brought advanced metering infrastructure with two-way communication. The future involves grid edge AI and real-time load balancing. Regarding security and data privacy, your energy data is protected with the same grade of encryption used by online banks. Smart meters only transmit usage information, never personal identification, ensuring privacy while providing the benefits of a smarter grid. Smart meters are the crucial first step toward powering the future, a cleaner, more efficient, and self-healing power grid. For more information, please visit the resources listed below.